Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to link drives to your ONYX Boox Go 6. So on the ONYX Boox Go 6 you can link different drives like Google Drives or any other sort of drive, so that you can access the files from those drives on your book. So to do that, what you're going to do is go to the library section, and then we're going to tap on the drive icon on the top left, so this one right here. And this is all of the drives that you can link to your account. And to do that, first you're going to need to log in into an ONYX account, and after that select the account that you want to link. So you can do OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, all of these that are available to you right here. So just select one, and then it's going to ask you to log into an account that the drive is located on. So just do that. For example, with Google, you just log into your Google account, and it's pretty similar with other drives. So if you do OneDrive, it's also going to ask you to log into the OneDrive account. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.